welcome to the Girl Regional Championship of the National Science and Maths Quiz. Today, we bring you the first contest from the Bono Ahafo Zone, and this contest is featuring Our Lady of Mount Carmel Girls Senior High School, Ola Girls Senior High School, Kenyasi, and Sunyani Senior High School. From Our Lady of Mount Carmel Girls Senior High School, we have and let's welcome them. You did not hear them. I also did not hear them, so please speak again. Representing Our Lady of Mount Carmel Girls Senior High School are
final year
and
Jan Jesla Day final year.
From Ola Girls Senior High School, Kenyasi, we have.
Shani Hamida, final year.
And
Yakubu Suad Bimunka, final year.
we are now going to meet our gentlemen from Sunyani Senior High School. They are
Fifi SHS, second year.
and
Abu Makati, second year.
ladies and gentlemen, you are welcome.
Thank you.
This time, the ladies are more than the gentlemen. I hope you can hear me well. Wonderful. The GOIL Regional Championship is proudly sponsored by GOIL with support from Joy News. This is a primetime production. My name is Mrs. Gladys Odeshringa. I'm your quiz mistress. Oh, won't you welcome me? So, ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome again. Relax. You are not new to this, so relax. We have 4 rounds of competition. Each round has its rules. I'll be telling you the rules as we go along. But for every round, you are going to answer questions from physics, chemistry, biology, and mathematics. You have 30 seconds to answer questions that involve calculations, and 10 seconds for questions that do not involve calculations. You have just 1 attempt at answering when you are asked a question. You cannot change your answer. In the first round, each school will get a question. You answer correctly for a maximum of 3 points. When you are wrong, another school may answer for a bonus point when they are correct, or lose a point when they are wrong. When you're ready to pick a school's question for a bonus, please allow them to finish speaking. Let me also tell them they are right or wrong. Then you may ring your bell to pick the bonus question. If they are also not answering, leave them alone. They have a time span within which to give an answer. Maybe they are thinking through their answer before they give it. So allow them to think, and then when the bell goes out on them, you may then ring yours to take the bonus point. I'll be starting the first round with Our Lady of Mount Carmel Girls Senior High School. I wish you all the best. This set comes with a preamble, and it reads, a plus 5.0 nanocoulomb point charge is located on the x-axis at x equals 2.0 meters, and a negative 4.0 nanocoulomb point charge is located on the x-axis at x equals negative 2.0 meters. Find the scalar potential at a point on the x-axis with a given coordinate. I take it again. A plus 5.0 nanocoulomb point charge is located on the x-axis at x equals 2.0 meters. And a negative 4.0 nanocoulomb point charge is located on the x-axis at x equals negative 2.0 meters. Find the scalar potential at a point on the x-axis with a given coordinate. Our Lady of Mount Carmel Girls Senior High School, x equals 0. The bell went out on you. Anyone for a bonus? Okay. Ola Girls, x equals 1.0 meter.
Five nanocoulomb per meter.
5 nanocoulomb
Per meter.
per meter. That is incorrect. Sunyani, yours is x equals negative 1.0 meter. Go ahead.
80 nanocoulomb per meter.
That is incorrect. Our Lady of Mount Carmel Girls Senior High School, your answer should have been 4.5 volts. Ola, 33 volts. Sunyani, negative 21 volts. Our Lady of Mount Carmel, an inorganic compound is found to contain 0.401 gram of element T and 0.599 gram of element Y. Determine the empirical formula of the compound given the atomic mass of T equals 32, Y equals 16. Go ahead.
TY2.
That is incorrect. Ola, in an experiment, a compound was found to contain 2.97 grams of element M and 7.03 grams of element G. Determine the empirical formula of the compound given the atomic mass of M to be 32, G to be 19.
We have MG3.
That is incorrect. Sunyani, a compound contains 0.665 gram of element W and 0.335 gram of element E. Determine the empirical formula of the compound given the atomic mass W equals 64, E equals 16. Go ahead.
WE2.
That is correct. So, Our Lady, audience, please, as soon as I start talking, you stop clapping, okay, so that we can continue smoothly. Thank you. Our Lady of Mount Carmel Girls, your answer should have been TY3. Ola, MG4. A preamble to all schools. Find the values of constants A, B, and C, given that. Find the values of constants A, B, and C, Given that, Our Lady of Mount Carmel, the expression x squared minus 2x plus 3 multiplying the expression ax minus 2 equals 3x cubed plus bx squared plus cx minus 6. Answer.
B is equal to negative 12 and C is equal to 18.
No. You get 1 out of 3. Ola, the expression ax squared minus 5x plus 4 multiplying the expression 2x minus 3 equals 10x cubed plus bx squared plus cx minus 12. Go ahead.
Okay. We have A to be 5.
Your time is passed already.
C to be 23. And B is minus 25.
That is correct. Sunyani, the expression x squared plus 6x minus 5 multiplying the expression ax plus 3 equals 4x cubed plus bx squared plus cx minus 15. Go ahead.
So we have it to be A equals 4, B equals 24, and C equals 38.
You get 1 out of 3. Preamble to all schools. Mimosa pudica is sensitive to touch. Mimosa pudica is sensitive to touch. Our Lady of Mount Carmel, what is the tactile reaction process of the plant called?
Thigmotaxis. Thigmotaxis.
That is incorrect. Ola Girls. Give one possible reason why it closes up when touched.
It is
sensitive to touch, and then it prevents being hurt. That's technotropism.
That is incorrect. Sunyani, give another possible reason why this happens. Go ahead.
So the mimosa pudica closes up to prevent attack from predators and also to prevent it from being eaten by other organisms like animals or grazers.
I'll give it to you. So the tactile reaction is thigmonasty. Thigmonasty. And then there are three possible reasons. So to deter insects from resting on it, to deter herbivores from feeding on it, and to expose sharp thorns on the stem to scare away predators. Our Lady of Mount Carmel, find the kinetic energy of a 5-kilogram object whose velocity is the expression 5I plus 12J meters per second. Give your answer.
We have it to be. We have 2.5 joules.
That is incorrect. Anyone for a bonus? Yes.
32.5 joules.
Come again.
32.5 joules.
That is incorrect. Your own question, Ola Girls. Find the kinetic energy of a 10-kilogram object whose velocity is the expression root 13I plus 6J meters per second.
$35 joules.
That is incorrect. Okay, Lady of Mount Carmel.
245 joules.
That is correct. Sunyani Senior High School. Find the mass of an object whose kinetic energy is 867 joules when its velocity is the expression 8I minus 15J meters per second. Go ahead.
It is 3 kilograms.
That is incorrect. Anyone for a bonus? Yes, go ahead.
6 kilograms.
That is correct. So, Our Lady of Mount Carmel, your answer should have been 333 joules. Preamble to all schools. Give the commonly used process for Our Lady of Mount Carmel, obtaining salt from seawater.
Reverse osmosis.
That is incorrect. Ola,
Evaporation.
that is incorrect. Ola, obtaining pure oxygen from liquid air. No one for a bonus. Sunyani, separating three colored pigments.
Chromatography.
That is correct. How can you use reverse osmosis for obtaining salt from seawater? Evaporation may even be coming closer to it. As crystallization. And to obtain pure oxygen from liquid air, the commonly used process is fractional distillation. Preamble to all schools for this set. Find an integer solution for the equation by factoring the number on the right. Find an integer solution for the equation by factoring the number on the right. Our Lady of Mount Carmel. X multiplying the expression x plus 1 multiplying the expression x plus 2 equals 720. Go ahead.
We have x is such that x is equal to 2, or x is equal to -1, or x is equal to 0.
That is incorrect. Ola Girls, the expression x minus 1 multiplying x plus 1 equals 1,320. Anyone for a bonus? Sunyani, x multiplying the expression x plus 1 multiplying the expression x plus 2 equals 210. Go ahead.
X equals 3 or 7.
That is incorrect. Our Lady of Mount Carmel.
X is such that x equals 5, 6, and 7.
That is incorrect. Our Lady of Carmel, your answer should have been 8. X equals 8. Ola, X equals 11. Sunyani, X equals 5. A preamble and a question, a common question to all of you. When it gets to your turn, you give me your answer. So I read the preamble and the common question. Vehicles contribute a lot to air pollution. Mention one way this can be minimized by individuals. Vehicles contribute a lot to air pollution. Mention one way this can be minimized by individuals. Our Lady of Mount Carmel.
By using proper fuels, which will prevent the smoke from the exhaust pipes into getting into the atmosphere.
That is incorrect. Ola.
By avoiding overspeeding.
That is incorrect. Sunyani.
Okay. So individuals can switch from using petrol or diesel using cars to electric cars which do not produce harmful gases to the atmosphere.
I give to you. So these are the other answers I was expecting. Drive less, turn off the engine when not moving, keep vehicles in good repair, avoid or minimize the use of air conditioners in vehicles. You said drive electric vehicles. Use more efficient engines. Use bicycle instead of vehicle. Use mass transportation means. That is to do park and ride. And so you said the proper fuel. So it is not about the fuel, it's about the combustion. So we are done with the first round.
Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Goil, good energy.
round. Our Lady of Mount Carmel Girls Senior High School had 1 point. Ola Girls Senior High School Kenyasi had 2 points. And Sunyani Senior High School had 13 points. So we continue with our speed race. This is our second round. Okay, audience. Hello, I'm meeting you. Maybe you haven't met me. If you disturb me, I'll walk you out. So please, don't. Thank you. Contestants, we are starting our second round. This round is also called the speed race. It means that how fast you are counts in this round. Each question will come to all schools at the same time. And so you may take turns in answering. If you are the first school to answer correctly, you earn 3 points. When you are wrong, a second school answers correctly for 2 points. When they're also wrong, the third school may answer correctly for 1 point. Anytime your answer is incorrect, you lose a point. In this round, as soon as you are ready with your answer, you can ring the bell to alert me. I'll give you the opportunity to answer. Even when someone else is answering, you could still register your readiness to answer. In case they got it wrong, then you could come in because they'll be timed. I wish you the best in this round. Round 2. Express the sum to infinity of the series 2 minus 0.2 plus 0.02 minus 0.002 plus 0.0002 minus, yes, Our Lady of Mount Carmel. That is incorrect. As a rational number. Yes, Ola.
We have 20.
20 on 11.
That is correct. The function y equals ax squared plus bx plus c has gradient 2x minus 2 and has a minimum value of 0. Find the values of a. Yes, Our Lady of Mount Carmel.
A is equal to 1 and B is equal to -2.
That is incorrect. Find the values of A, B, and C. Ola?
A is equal to 1, B is equal to -2, and C is equal to 1.
That is correct. Solve the trigonometric equation cos squared x equals 3/4 for the interval. So for the interval 0 less than x less than pi. Solve the trigonometric equation cos squared x equals 3/4 for the interval 0 less than x less than pi. Yes, Sunyani.
So we have it to be
Give me your answer.
pi on 6 and 5 pi on 6.
That is incorrect. Our Lady of Mount Carmel.
X is such that X is equal to pi on 6 or 5 pi on 6.
That is correct. Find the magnitude of the resultant of a 48 Newton force and a 36 Newton force, given that the two forces are inclined to each other at 60 degrees. Leave your answer in terms of a surge. Our Lady of Mount Carmel.
60 Newton.
That is incorrect. The answer is 6√148 Newton. The recoil speed of a 2.0 kilogram gun is 8.0 meters per second when it shoots a 2.0 times 10 to the power negative 2 kilogram pellet. Find the kinetic energy of the pellet when it is discharged from the gun. It is 6.4 kilojoules. Find the equivalent capacitance for a circuit made up of a 32.0 microfarad capacitor and a 48.0 microfarad capacitor in series. Give your answer, Sunyani.
19.2 microfarad.
That is correct. Name two organisms that produce zoospores. Algae, fungi, and protozoans. To which family do brown algae belong? Phaeophyceae. What is girding? What is girding? Girding is the removal of a ring of phloem tissues of a plant to stop the continuous flow of nutrients to the roots from the leaves. What mass of manganese is present in 31.6 grams of manganese 3 oxide, Mn2O3? Mn is 55, O is 16. Our Lady of Mount Carmel.
10 grams.
That is incorrect. It is 22 grams. 22 grams. The molecular mass of a hydrocarbon with empirical formula CH2 is 154.12 grams per mole. How many atoms are present in the molecular formula of this hydrocarbon? Yes, Ola?
33 atoms.
That is correct. Name the two metals found on the periodic table that are non-silvery or non-gray in color. I'm sure each lady here has something that has to do with one of these. Gold is there, copper is there. Just these two, gold and copper, they are the non-silvery metals on the periodic table. That's the end of the speed race. I'm ready, okay. So there's a challenge from Sunyani Senior High School. Sunyani, yes, your students gave values, but what were they? The question said, solve the trigonometric equation cos squared x equals 3 over 4 for the interval 0 greater than x greater than pi. So if you give me values, and you don't give me what they are, do I take them to be cos squared x, or do I take them to be anything? Tell me what you have solved for. This is speed race. You have to be precise. Thank you. I didn't even give a version for the answer, but the answer I was given is not even what is written here. So they gave x equals pi over 6, 5 pi over 6. They just didn't give the values. Thank you. Before we continue, Ola Girls Senior High School Kenyasi would like to make a change. So Janice is coming in to replace Swad. Thank you for being with us, Swad. I wish you the best in your future endeavors, especially in your upcoming WASI. So the upcoming WASI. You are welcome, Janice. Oh, let's welcome her. And clap for SWAT too. So at the end of the speed race, Our Lady of Mount Carmel Girls Senior High School is owing me 1 point. So Our Lady of Mount Carmel Girls had -1. Ola Girls Senior High School Kenyasi had 9 points. And Sunyani Senior High School had 15 points. Contestants, this is the third round. In this round, I'm going to give each school a statement. You tell me whether your statement is true or false. When you are right, you earn 2 points. When you are wrong, you lose a point. You may decide not to answer at all. Then the bell will go out on you, and another school may answer correctly for the 2 points or lose a point when they are wrong. When you are ready to pick up another school statement, you ring the bell to alert me after the timekeeper has rung them out. I wish you all the best, and I'm starting again with Our Lady of Mount Carmel girls. Round 3. Carolus was the Greek form of Carl.
False.
That is correct. Ola Girls. Carl von Linné was a Swedish botanist.
False.
That is incorrect. Sunyani, Carolus Linnaeus was a nickname.
False.
That is correct. Preamble to all schools. If two chords A, B, and C, D in a circle intersect at E, then if two chords A, B, and C, D in a circle intersect at E, then Our Lady of Mount Carmel, AE plus BE equals CE plus DE.
False.
That is correct. Ola, AB times BE equals CD times DE. Anyone? Yes, Our Lady of Mount Carmel. That is correct. Should they repeat or you heard? Please repeat.
False.
That is correct. Please leave your microphone on, okay? Sunyani, AE divided by BE equals CE divided by DE. Go ahead.
False.
That is correct. Our Lady of Mount Carmel, Marie Curie discovered the element radium.
True.
That is correct. Ola, Marie Curie discovered the element curium.
True.
That is incorrect. Sunyani, Marie Curie discovered the element polonium.
True.
That is correct. Preamble to all schools. In an experiment to determine the focal length of a concave spherical mirror, an optical pin perpendicular to the mirror's optical axis is moved parallel to the axis to locate the mirror's focal point. In an experiment to determine the focal length of a concave spherical mirror, an optical pin perpendicular to the mirror's optical axis is moved parallel to the axis to locate the mirror's focal point. Our Lady of Mount Carmel. If an image is observed whose orientation is the same as that of the optical pin, the distance between the pin and the mirror is less than the focal point, the focal length of the mirror.
False.
That is incorrect. Ola, when an image is observed whose orientation is the same as that of the optical pin, the image is closer to the mirror than the pin.
True.
That is incorrect. Sunyani. And when an image is observed whose position is the same as that of the optical pin, the image is inverted and of the same height as the height of the pin.
False.
That is incorrect. Our Lady of Mount Carmel. Cytokinins promote splitting in cells.
True.
That is incorrect. Ola, cytokinins promote cell growth and division.
True.
That is incorrect. Sunyani, cytokinins promote cell division in animals.
False.
That is correct. Preamble to all schools. If a quadrilateral has two pairs of congruent angles, then it is a... If a quadrilateral has two pairs of congruent angles, then it is a Our Lady of Mount Carmel, kite.
False.
That is correct. Ola, rhombus.
False.
That is correct. Sunyani, parallelogram.
True.
That is incorrect. Our Lady of Mount Carmel, the s orbital can only have two electrons. The s orbital can only have two electrons.
True.
That is incorrect. Ola, the p orbital can hold a maximum of 6 electrons.
True.
That is correct. Sunyani, hybrid orbitals have lower energies than the orbitals from which they are formed.
True.
That is incorrect. Last set for this round, and it comes with a preamble. Stationary particle A is struck head-on by moving particle B, and the two particles coalesce immediately after the collision. I take it again. Stationary particle A is struck head-on by moving particle B, and the two particles coalesce. Immediately after the collision, Our Lady of Mount Carmel, the composite particle moves in the direction of the incoming particle.
True.
That is correct. Ola, the velocity of the composite particle equals the velocity of the incoming particle.
True.
That is incorrect. Sunyani, the kinetic energy of the composite particle is less than the kinetic energy of the incoming particle.
False.
That is incorrect. And that's the end of the third round. At the end of round 3, Our Lady of Mount Carmel Girls Senior High School had 8 points. Ola Girls Senior High School Kenyasi also had 8 points. And Sunyani Senior High School had 19 points. Contestants, all the hard work is over. We are now going to play. Riddle, riddle. Good. So we are going to have 4 riddles in this round. This is the 4th and final round. There are only 4 riddles coming to all of you at the same time, each one at the same time. You may take turns in answering as I give you clues to solve the riddles. If you are able to solve on the first clue, you earn 5 points. On the second clue, 4 points. From the third clue to the very last one, you earn 3 points. When you attempt to solve the riddle and you are not successful, you just sit out of competition for that particular riddle. If there is any after that, you join us. But if there is none, then we'd call it a day. I wish you all the best. When you are ready with your solution, press the bell to alert me, okay? So we start with our first riddle. In reality, I'm a function. My range is the set of real numbers. I involve a queue of numbers. Each number in the queue has a unique position. My domain is the set of natural numbers. You can say I'm a function of position. Who am I? Sunyani.
Positional function.
That is incorrect. Ola.
Exponential function.
What?
Exponential function.
That is incorrect. So I'm a sequence. I am top ranking. You dare not play around me. I pounce on lower ranking members of society. My victims sound like they are calling out to God. I'm the topmost animal. Yes, Our Lady of Mount Carmel.
Predator.
Predator is correct. I am a metal used as a coolant in high temperature nuclear reactions. I'm a soft and silvery metal. My compounds are used in medication for the treatment of bipolar disorder. Yes, Our Lady of Mount Carmel.
Lithium.
Lithium is correct. We are down to our last riddle. I am a particle. I am electrically neutral. I'm a particle. I'm electrically neutral. I gravitate, yet I'm massless. I mediate the electromagnetic interaction. I'm responsible. Yes, Our Lady of Mount Carmel.
Photon.
Photon is correct. So, that brought us to the end of the contest. At the end of the contest, these are the scores. Ola Girls Senior High School Kenyasi ended the contest with 8 points. Our Lady of Mount Carmel Girls Senior High School ended with 17 points. And Sunyani Senior High School ended with 19 points. So Ola Girls and Our Lady of Mount Carmel, thank you for being here. I wish you the best in your upcoming WASI, and I also wish you the best as you come for the national competition, the national championship. I hope you do better there. Congratulations to you, Sunyani Senior High School. You won the contest with 19 points. You progress to the next stage of competition. But as we can all see, this is Regional Championship. You are very welcome. The regional qualifiers were child's play. So please go and prepare better for your next contest. I wish you the best. Our audience, thank you for joining us for this contest. This was the Go Regional Championship, the first contest in the Bono Ahafo zone. And so you join us for the next contest. I don't have the schools that are featuring, but you meet them when you come. The Go Regional Championship is proudly sponsored by GOIL with support from Joy News. This is a primetime production. See you in our next contest.
Hello, can I have the third contestant for Ola Girls? Third contestant for Ola Girls SHS representation, go up.